Good evening, America, and also the people who clicked this by accident and are now too confused to leave. Tonight's top story. At exactly 12:07 a.m., a mysterious, bone-chilling squeak echoed through the house. Authorities described the sound as concerning, sinister, and according to Teddy, definitely the fridge, but maybe also a ghost. To get to the bottom of this, we go live to our resident panic professional, Yuki.
Jazzy, listen to me right now. The squeak was real. I was just sitting there, minding my business, trying to decide whether a shadow was a monster or laundry. And then, squeak, my whole soul left my body. I transcended reality. I saw every poor decision I've ever made. I think I even apologized to a houseplant on my way downstairs. And then it squeaked again. Like it was following me. Like it had something to say. This house is haunted. I don't make the rules.
Thank you, Yuki, for that very calm and rational perspective. Now we move to someone who actually has calm and rational perspectives. Our senior household analyst, Luna.
Oh, for heaven's sake, it was a toy. Someone stepped on a toy. Let me guess. Teddy was sleepwalking. Cade was not doing anything suspicious. Tommy was conducting important business on the kitchen counter. Children. Midnight squeaks are as common as half-chewed feathers in this household, but I will admit, this one did seem unusually dramatic, like a squeak that had emotion.
Emotion? Luna, what do you mean emotion? On a scale of 1 to we need an exorcist, where are we?
Jazzy. This one sounded like Mr. Chicken. Not just any squeak. The squeak. The squeak of a toy who's seen too much.
America. We may have just heard the ghost of my missing toy, or the fridge, or Teddy. We're still narrowing that down. But this investigation has officially upgraded from confusing to terrifying to I'm definitely sleeping with the lights on. Stay tuned, because if a toy squeaks at midnight, just know it wasn't the dog. And remember, this is Jazzy reminding you, don't chase cars, chase your dreams. Thank you and good night.